Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with this screen right over here, the welcoming screen. So get started by choosing your desired language, which I will be changing it to English. There we go. Select region as well. And from here we can select get started. Now here you can insert your SIM card if you want to. This step is completely optional and you don't actually have to do it right now, you can do it later on. The moment you insert it, it will work just fine. So I'm gonna skip it for now. Then we have set up your phone, so we can basically move over all the data from an older device to this one if you want to. Or you can set it up as new without removing anything by selecting set up as new. Now this brings us to the Wi-Fi connection page. So in here, we can either connect to any network that we have in our region, assuming you have yours that you can connect to knowing the password, or if you don't have any that you can connect to, you can simply set it up without actually connecting. So I'm going to continue and skip this for now. Then we have, what is this? Google services. So we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. That's basically what it's called nowadays. But the premise of all these is basically the exact same. So first one allows the phone to use your location. So it gives you, for instance, or it gives the access to that to applications like Google Maps. So you have accurate position on the map and actually like directions to the desired location. Then we have scanning, which basically allows the device to scan for things like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi signals, and so on. And below that we have sending user and diagnostic data to Google, so they can quotation mark improve the user experience. And if you don't want any of those, you can actually disable them, but I'll not bother with it, and select next. Now here we have date and time settings. Now this page will be skipped if you chose to either insert a SIM card or connect to Wi-Fi. If you've done either one of those, it will skip this, but because I basically skipped any kind of network connection, it brings it up here and I would need to basically fix it up, but there we go. Now next page we have name. This is just going to be the name of the device basically. If you choose to leave this empty because you can, the device will name itself by the name of the device. So in this case it will take the name of ZTE Blade V8 Lite. But you can also insert here any kind of name that you want, and instead that will be the name of it. Then we have protection. So here you can set up screen lock. We have a fingerprint option, and also if you decide to actually add the fingerprint, you will also be required to set up a PIN, pattern, or password, because you cannot have just a fingerprint. And I will be skipping it anyway. Anything else, so you can add email if you decided to basically skip connecting to any kind of network. Then if you go with this, it will basically bring you back to connecting to a network anyway. But I'm not going to be dealing with it, so I'll set up later. Data services, mobile data connection enabled. Okay. And there we go. So as you can see, this finishes up the setup. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.